Hello everyone again. We're back from day 3, the last day of... Oh, okay. Let's see if audio works first. Check.
I'm not getting any... I think there is audio now.
Hello everyone again.
Yeah.
We're back from day 3. Yeah, it seems to be working. So again, hello everyone, and we're back from day 3 of OpenSIPIt', and I think we did quite a good job. Everyone involved and tested more stir-shaken scenarios and some security scans. Found a good deal of issues all over the place, and yeah, it was good. Livio, Andreas, do you guys have some input, and Alfred and Sandra too?
I mean, I can start because I was on the receiving end, so I think we fixed at least 2 issues with the help of Sandro, and there is one more pending, which I have no idea how to fix, but we'll get to the bottom of it. So in our case, for the OpenSIPS project, this testing, day 3 was a real success. So we're very happy about it.
From our end, if you can't reproduce something, let us know so that we can try to reproduce it with you. I mean, you probably have my email address and so on. So just get in touch if need be.
Yeah, but the plan, just for that, so everyone knows, the plan is to keep the setup running until at least the weekend. And if you guys need more time, just let us know. We'll suspend it specific instances, and we can then pop it up really quick later to retest if somebody is working on some fixes. Plus the Slack channel is always running, so
this is ongoing community stuff, really, Max, isn't it now?
well, we hope so. At least that was the goal all the time. How you doing, Andres? How did it go for?
Yeah, we were able to find some issues with some implementations with the test suite, which is good. And on the other hand, we were also able to kind of automate like all this CA certification or CA certificate generation process in a script. So next time we will have a much easier time also to bootstrap the whole security environment, and also since it's on GitHub, you guys are able to recreate this in your own labs. So you can issue your own CA, you can issue your own certificate, and you can run these tests then basically at home, compared to the suspicious tests that you're not supposed to run at home, right?
Yeah, speaking of GitHub, what we did last time as well, post factum, we created a GitHub repository for OpenSIPIt' and gave everyone access. So if you guys have some snippets or any scripts or anything that you think worth saving for the next time, please just commit in there. We'll use it.
While everybody's just a little bit quiet here, I wonder if I could ask anybody that's on video mute just to unvideo mute themselves so we get maximum faces, and I would take a quick snap for an OpenSIPIt'01 update about what's been going on. Okay, there's Dragos. Excellent. What about Andrea? Are we going to get Andrea or Pavel? I don't suppose we.
Pavel is pretty nice, actually.
Yeah, actually, that's fair enough.
It's good.
And I don't suppose we can expect the second Max to go off video mute. Okay, let me just try it here. Oh, there you go. He's gone. Well, there you go. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Can everybody try their best to look happy, please?
Max door.
Brilliant. Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. You'll see it on OpenSIPIT'01 before too long. Thank you.
Okay, so for like future planning purposes, would it be useful to maybe do like a 1-day stir shaken thing, maybe in another month? I know we won't have the asterisk fixes done before this weekend, but we found a lot of stuff that we need to catch up with, and it would really help to be able to like do this again.
You're on mute, Max.
Yeah, I think that might be a good idea, but I don't see really why not. We can do like smaller in terms of number of people involved, smaller round coins in some form.
Well, and also, I guess there's an argument for possibly doing 1 day a month rather than 3 days every 3 months. If you like, I don't know. What do people think?
Might be.
I'd be good with that. Yeah.
Because I guess as the group sort of bonds and gets to know each other better, then it's just easier to get going with things if it's done more regularly, right?
All right,
It's an idea worth considering, guy.
Yeah, we can try. We can try at least once and see how it goes. I mean, obviously there is a little bit more challenging, I guess, to fit everyone. So we might probably expect people not as easy to commit, but yeah, might be a good idea. Yeah, let's keep that discussion. It's something.
Yeah, well, we've got the Slack channels now, haven't we, to kind of carry on chatting.
Yeah, I'm not even sure that we need like the whole AWS environment for it either. I don't know if people want to like stand up their own. I mean, we have a public one that we use for testing anyway. If we just maybe like share our public IP addresses, we can put some at least security in place so that we can hit each other, but nobody else can.
Yeah, but then it's a little bit. Well, we can use it for that ongoing thing. But what is getting a little bit more scary if you then need to open tickets and you need to pay things up. You'll get all the internal stuff out. So at least in the case of OpenSIPIt, like we organize it right now, it's all contained, right? So you even if you paste those messages anywhere, nobody is going to get hurt about that.
I just didn't know if you guys had issues keeping that AWS environment going full time, or whether you were thinking you needed to shut it down, or.
Well, we're not huge. We're not huge business by any means. So for us, it's a little bit of burden to keep it running 24/7. But we could at least consider some options in that regard. Maybe we'll find somebody who can help us or who can host it on a semi-permanent basis of some sorts. But that's an interesting idea, obviously.
Okay, or maybe take snapshots of the instances, shut everything down, and then restore them the next time we.
Yeah, but that's a little bit kind of defeating purpose a little bit, George, if I may.
Okay.
because people would just reuse old stuff, and then we will not get cutting edge testing. So essentially, we want to have like people testing cutting edge stuff.
Okay.
Not something that they had like working past time around.
Gotcha.
Okay, so that's a good suggestion. So we'll get them discussed, and we can even keep it in that Slack, either Slack or public group.
Just looking behind George, I was thinking maybe he could 3D print some servers for us.
Yeah, I got one of those.
I'm working on that. 3D printed AWS instances.
Okay. All right. Well, other ideas or anything we can improve overall.
I just want to say thanks. We got a lot out of this, and I know it was a lot of work, but it really helped us out.
Well, thank you guys for participating. It's been useful for us as well. So I think pretty much everyone got something out of it, or so I hope. So definitely happy that we got more people participating, and we'll try to reach out to some other projects. So, and by the way, maybe Andreas or Pavel knows better about this. Who is the maintainer for SIPP'01?
To be honest, I don't really know. I will find out in a couple of days when I'm submitting my first official pull request. So
I think it's still Walter, isn't it?
Walter, right? That's what I was going to ask. I know he's involved, but I'm not sure to what extent or how. Is he the main developer? Is he the maintainer? Is he?
I think he's the only one now.
Okay.
He should be
I
the
have a
main.
couple of
Actually,
patches
there is a
that I
small
can
command
bring
for
them.
4 people or something.
Do you know him, Livio, or this person, or just the name?
We interact a lot on the OpenSIPs project. He sometimes finds bugs and submits pull requests for them. So I guess it's
Okay. I guess
fair enough to do the
Livio is
same backwards,
volunteering
right?
to invite him, I guess.
No, I just saw
Sure.
Pavel. Just allow me to interrupt for a minute because I just heard Pavel talk. So Pavel, I know you're there. Can you unmute for a minute for photographic purposes?
Yep, sure. But my internet today is pretty sad, so
It's
I will
all
try
right.
to do my
A
best.
blurry Pavel is better than a muted Pavel.
Sure. Is my video up?
Not yet.
Not yet, but it should.
Oh, come on.
Okay, maybe we will have to run it. It's a very nice little round photo of you, Pavel.
Sorry,
Okay,
my provider got me down today.
Fair enough. Sorry to interrupt. Do continue.
Sorry.
Max, you're muted again.
I'm saying I have some pictures of Pavel from real life, so we can Photoshop something in.
Okay, all right.
It will be from
Oh
Banya. Make it look like Pavel is participating from Banya. You guys know what Banya is? It's like sauna, but in Russia or Ukraine.
Excellent. We are very grateful for everybody's participation. I think I'm right in saying, Max, that we've had even better participation than we anticipated in terms of the numbers of people coming in.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I actually got a message from Dave Horton. He said he got some production issues that prevented him from making it up. So hopefully next time he will be back with us, and we'll hope to see everyone involved again, and we'll try to bring some more open source SIP RFC projects or RTC projects, sorry, into this, and yeah.
And it's a great proof that we are all part of open source communications, rather than religiously part of individual projects, which is really good.
Yeah, I think it's very important to have this kind of forum where we can have people from all different projects to get together and test things up against each other. It would definitely make life for people using our technologies easier. All right, I guess unless someone wants to either speak anything up.
I guess it's just a case of maintaining contact on the Slack channels, and as we talked about, considering the option of having a day or an afternoon or whatever. I guess the shorter time frame of 2 or 3 hours is good, because it can be put into an overlapping time frame for everybody's time zones.
Yeah, we can alternate. I guess we can do more sometime more friendly for people in Europe and back and forth, I guess.
Great stuff. Max, I don't think we should leave before giving ourselves a small round of applause for the achievement.
Okay. Good job, guys. Yes, nice. All right. Well, thanks again, and talk to you guys really soon. Happy fixing all the issues found.
Thank you, guys. It was a pleasure.
All right.
Yeah, and thank you,
Bye-bye.
Liviu and Andreas, for some of that leading of the exercises. Much appreciated.
Yeah.
Thanks.
And everyone on internet's watching. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, Max.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
David.
Thanks,
care.
everyone.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.